If you wanna hide your active status or online status on Facebook, then keep watching this video till the end. See how to hide your active status or online status. Just click on this three-line icon in the top right corner. And now you see a settings icon there, so just click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and keep scrolling down. Now under this audience and visibility section, look at the last option, active status. So click on it. By default, this option will be turned on your Facebook profile. So if you want to hide your online status, just turn off this option like this. Now click on turn off. But remember one thing, if you hide your online status or active status, you also won't be able to see other users' active or online status on Facebook. So if you want to see other users' online or active status on Facebook, then firstly you have to turn on your own active status. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful video, then do subscribe this channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.